this is how to create WuTang Ain't Nothing to Fuck With on the Maschine Plus. Now when RZA made this, originally he would have used probably the SP1200 to do it. However, we've got a whole bunch of modern tools that allow us way more flexibility, and we can do some things that would have taken a lot of tuning and hard work by ear to do it on the Maschine. I'm going to set this onto detect mode, just bring this threshold down a little bit so it triggers nice and easy. The first sample we need is from Underdog, so we're going to go and grab that real quick, and because it's on detect mode, the second it starts playing we are going to be able to capture that.
There's no need to fear, Underdog is here.
Criminals in this world appear and break the laws that they should fear and fight for all.
So we've got our first sample. Let's just hit edit mode here, and we are going to just find the exact bit we want, which is gonna be right about here-ish. I'd rather be a little bit over, and I can refine it later. That seems about right. We want truncate, we're going to apply, and that's going to cut just that bit out for us. Instead of having this in the sampler, pitching it down and triggering it with MIDI over and over, we can do some wicked voodoo. So let's put it onto audio. It's now going to loop for us. Doesn't sound too bad. So the WuTang track is, I think I got it to like 98.5, but we're going to go to 99 and hit it from there. What do we got now? Up, instantly closer, right? Now if we go to stretch instead, it'll pitch it back up, because it isn't quite that low. It's not far off, but it's not quite that low. It's more something like this. What we've got right there. Happy days. Right, the next sample we need, I'm going to go over to another group and just make sure we've got this here. Now when we get into sampling here, we only want the left side of this sample. We don't want anything of the fancy gnarly stuff over on the right. So we need to switch this up. We're going to go over to here and we're going to change our input over to external mono, and we want in left. That's going to be spot on. That is all she wrote right there. So let's hit edit. So now we've just got so I think if we do just the first break and we do it roughly to that kick drop there, we're in the right ballpark. Let's truncate that. We want to stretch it. Pitch it down nicely. And there's a second drum break in this. That's all we need right there. Solo like this. Okay, now something with this is we're going to put a filter on it. We want to take out some of the lows in it because it just fights. So we want to switch this to a nice high pass. Boost your resonance right up. Ooh, bring it to about there. Something like that. And then we're going to grab an EQ and just light those highs up a bit. Something like that. That should do nicely. There we go, there's our drum break. Just put this on group mode, go to the mixer, take the sample down a couple of dB. And while we're in group mode as well, let's go plugins. We're going to want a bit of a compressor on the drums. Right, start off, yeah. That's way too much. Output can go to just that. sounding good. Right, last thing we need is a bit of a bass line. That bass bone is going to be good enough to start with. And it's a really short bass loop. It's something like that, with, just put overdubs on. If we go to keyboard, I think that is literally all she wrote. That needs a little bit of zhuzhing up. We are going to lo-fi it. Something like that, and saturator. That should do the job. And then we've pretty much got the beat. What we're going to do is just unsolo that. If you like this video and you want to see me put more classic beats together really quickly with loads of hacky solutions, throw me a comment down below and I will put more of these together, because I actually really like doing this kind of video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Take care.